I feel lucky that I went all in on YouTube and built somewhat of a personal brand, even just a small, personal brand, because it's changed my life and it's saved my life, so to speak. A year ago, I was unemployed. I was fired. And because I had some sort of personal brand, I was able to launch my business and have it be wildly successful. And it's not all the personal brand. Like, I think God played a big part in that. And he came through and really provided for our family. But when I think about, back a year ago, I'm like, it all comes back down to having a personal brand. And so I wanted to make this video because I just think a personal brand or making content, starting a YouTube channel can change your life the way it changed my life. Not to say it's easy and not to say that it's going to happen fast, but I just keep looking at where the world is moving. Creators launching products, Mr. Beast launching an Amazon Prime show, all sorts of products, that all these businesses being sprouted from creators, and just the creator economy exploding and continue to explode. I just feel lucky. I'm like, I feel like I hit the jackpot because I love YouTube. I love social media. I love making content. And the fact that it's just like such a growing thing is incredible. And earlier today I did a training, and in that training, like, we didn't even run ads for this training. We just let's just post some YouTube videos, put it in the description. And I got over 100 people showing up to this web class. And I'm just grateful. I'm like, it blows my mind, honestly. Like, some of the people on the call, they were like, man, it's so awesome to talk to you in person. And I'm just honored, but I'm like, I'm just a regular guy. I'm just happen to be on YouTube, and they've been watching my stuff for years. A lot of people have been watching my videos for years. But what was also interesting is one guy, he was like, yeah, man, I found you this week. He's got 100,000 subscribers. He was looking for help on his YouTube channel. I'm like, dude, YouTube is so powerful. Like, there's really just nothing like it. And I think just seeing all these entrepreneurs going on content and all these content creators going on business, I'm like, to me, it seems so obvious now, but I don't think everybody's on it yet. I think there's a lot of business owners who aren't taking content super seriously. And I think, because I have friends who aren't, but I'm like, you should be. And the videos don't have to be crazy. Just start somewhere. And it's been a humbling experience for me too, starting a business, because I used to just be a content creator. And now that I have a business, I'm like, okay, I see why this is difficult, right? Like, you get pulled in so many directions, you're busy. It's not easy. It's not easy to make the time for it, but I think it's the best investment that I can make. If I spend my time every single week just making content and building my personal brand, I think I'm going to look back in 10 years and be like, thank God you did that, because that changed your life. And it's already changed my life. And this note right here, my wife gave me when we were dating. We were in college. I just graduated. And so I was 18, almost 10 years ago. My wife gave me this note, and I found this last week. And she said, I was thinking about you and your future job this morning, because we were moving to LA and I wanted to work in the film industry, but it was unknown, right? I ended up finding a way in somehow. Shout out Pete. I love her. And she brought me under her wing, but I didn't know if I was going to get any work in the film industry. And so I was freelancing, doing some videography stuff and YouTube stuff on my own. Those videos are all privated now, but I was doing some YouTube stuff on my own. And she was like, I thought of an idea that I think could be a very smart thing to think about. She was like, so right now, until you go to LA, really focus on your YouTube and building your subscribers. And she was talking about doing cool videos, and it can help me with my film career. I can make short films and movies. And I'm just like, man, how incredible that my wife was just so supportive of me and saw the vision of in me. But I'm like, back then, even, she's telling me she's saying, build your personal brand, build your YouTube following. And yeah, I just think this is kind of a note to myself. Like if I'm talking to myself in 10 years, I'm going to be very disappointed if I didn't go hard on YouTube and social media and content creation. Because I think it's the best thing I can do for myself, for my family, for my business. It's just the greatest asset I think you can have. And so, man, I was reminded by this, and I'm like, I'm glad I kept this, but I'm like, I have such a good wife that's supportive and saw the vision of building a YouTube channel. And here I am, I think I have like around 20,000 subscribers, but I have a business where I get to help people. I get to help entrepreneurs, and I'm just grateful. Honestly, I'm just grateful. And I wanted to get this off my chest because my life's been changed. Like a year ago, I did not know what was in store for me. I did not know when I launched my business, I didn't know if people were going to say yes or no. I didn't know if anyone was going to sign up. And I think I started my price at I think it was $1,500 for 8 weeks, or maybe it was $1,000. I think it was $1,500. And I was like, I don't know if people are going to, join. And people joined. Like I got so many messages. I sold out right away. Made $37,000 the first week, going from literally, I don't know if I'm gonna have to go find a job, to then having this business that I love. And so I just feel blessed. And I think if you're watching this, I don't know if, a lot of people are going to watch this, but if you're watching this, I'd encourage you, start building your personal brand, even if it's on your phone, if it's just turning on this camera, hitting record. And don't get overwhelmed with all the editing and all the stuff. This is my first year into my business. I don't have a content team. I'm just doing this myself. So I'm just going to press record. I'm going to shoot this video and I'm going to upload it tomorrow. That's just the season I'm in. And so I want to bring on a team and have editors and all that stuff. It's going to make, the videos better. And that's what I want. But I'm allowing myself to post these messy videos that are just kind of raw. And, it's been interesting too to see, some of the people even in the training today, they were like, I really enjoy kind of your iPad drawing videos and the laid back kind of style. It's kind of refreshing. And I thought that was really interesting. I do think on YouTube, people want to connect, right? People want to see you be yourself, be authentically yourself. And so I think there's room for you to literally just turn on a camera, speak your mind, and document the journey. Will people watch? Maybe, maybe not. They might not, but they might. And if you just keep doing it and keep posting content, you're going to get better. You're going to make better content. And so just start doing it, and it can change your life. So, all right, that's everything. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging out. And just getting all sentimental, thinking about the past year. It's been crazy. Just want to thank everybody for watching. Every one of my students that have joined the Content Academy, everyone commenting on these videos, man, just super appreciative. So thank you.